Ayan, ito parang kape to ah. Ano nagbibigay sa'yo ng inspirasyon para bumangon araw-araw?
Yes, siyempre important yung family at the end of the day. Actually, meron akong gustong i-share and I live by this now for some time now and I call it the 4F. So, unang-una siyempre family,
Yes.
number 2 fitness, and then number 3 finance. I have to make sure that I balance those things. Actually, a lot of time that even though you have good fitness, you have a good time and spend time with your family and you're okay with your finance, something within in me still felt empty.
Yes.
And that's how I came to realize that the most important F in my life is faith. Doon ako naging complete, the calling. It all comes down to increasing my faith and being closer to the Lord. So I always make sure that don't just focus on 1 or 2 or 3. Kasi lahat yan importante sa atin eh. Most importantly, yun na nga yung faith. You can be successful in terms of finance, pero saan mo din naman dadalhin yan kung hindi ka naman close kay Lord?